Welcome to the Cryptosphere. This is Cryptogenic coming at you. Today is Wednesday, January 18th at 8:30 p.m. here in Northern California. We're getting ready to jump into this Bitcoin chart, but before I do, I want you to know that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but everything that I say and do on this channel is designed to empower you to sleep in peace every night, wake in joy every morning, and walk in love every day. So if you enjoy this content, please hit that like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Jumping right into this Bitcoin chart, I am going to do my best to use Elliott waves and Fibonacci retracements to chart a path for where I believe Bitcoin is going to be going in the next few months. So we're going to start with a Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low of this first move here. We see that we got a nice retracement to the 50% level, the 0.5 retracement level. Typically, we get either a 618, a 5, or a 382. Here we got a nice 5 retracement level. So using these levels here, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chart out the impulsive waves and look at the Elliott wave structure of the movement that we've had until now. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now, that tells us where we've been. That doesn't tell us where we're going. I'm going to get rid of this Fibonacci. And now to chart the ABC correction that typically follows the Elliott wave pattern, first we need a Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high of this move. And then what we would expect, taking this ABC correction tool, is to move A, and then B is going to be either a 618 or a 0.5 retracement level. Somewhere in there, it'll either be 618, 0.5, or as low as 0.382 retracement level. I'm just going to choose the 0.5, not knowing which one. And then the C correction can go anywhere between the 1.27 and the 1.618. I'm going to choose the 1.618. And this takes us up to a test of $26,595. So getting rid of this Fibonacci retracement tool, here's what I see. From where we are, I think we're going to get a nice pullback here. I think the whole market is getting ready to pull back pretty nicely. And we're going to test 18,298. And then somewhere in this area here, we'll finish the ABC correction. And at this point, Bitcoin is going to start a new wave. Now, what does it mean Bitcoin is going to start a new wave? It will either be an impulsive wave to the upside or an impulsive wave to the downside. It will either be an uptrend or a downtrend. Do not assume that just because we're getting this upward momentum here, that the bottom is definitely in, because the bottom is not definitely in. Matter of fact, I don't believe the bottom is in. I believe that what's going to happen after we get here is a downtrend and we're going to dump again. And my primary reason for believing that, my primary, the primary factor in my thinking is volume. What I did not see enough here at this bottom, I did not see enough volume to substantiate that being the bottom. You see, when we had this bottom over here back in 2020, look at the volume compared to the volume we had here. There's too much money that is out of the game that's sitting in the sidelines where the big money dropped here. The big money dropped here. When we see the big money drop, the big money is not going to be buying it at 27,000. The big money's not going to be buying it at 18,000 when it was, 15,000. The big money after this, I think, is going to tank it, buy it again, and that will start the next bull run and the next impulsive wave up. But I think it's going to take us a few months to get there, folks, between now and the summer. I don't believe we're going to see the bottom until we complete this ABC correction and then get another impulsive wave down. The bottom will be established wherever that is. We're going to see big money come in the volume, and then the next bull run is going to start in earnest, and really it's going to move up for the next 2.5, 3 years as we see. All right, folks, that's what I see. Once again, this is not financial advice. It's simply what I see. You may agree, you may disagree, but either way, I hope this content has been enjoyable for you. If you're interested in trading, we are trading Ethereum in my Patreon. Visit us at patreon.com/cryptogenic. But above all, make it your aim to sleep in peace every night, wake in joy every morning, and walk in love every day This is Cryptogenic signing out.